Fat bike through snow-shrouded forests where the silent beauty of nature surrounds you. Feel the thrill as you race through this winter wonderland. Be awestruck by the celestial display of the northern lights, a breathtaking symphony of colors illuminating the winter sky. Mush a dog sled across the expansive tundra, guided by spirited dogs racing through the snow, an adventure that echoes the past. Discover tranquility in ice fishing from a warm hut, where the frozen landscape unveils a hidden world beneath the surface. Embrace the serenity of cross-country skiing, each glide leading you through a winter paradise of lakes and snow-covered landscapes. Snowshoe along solitary trails, finding hidden huts nestled in the snowy wilderness, offering solace and breathtaking views. Glide gracefully across a frozen cranberry bog, ice skating amidst picturesque winter scenery, a surreal experience in nature's embrace. Embark on a self-guided snowmobile tour, traversing snow-clad terrains and immersing yourself in the exhilarating adventure of Canada's winter. In Canada's winter embrace, discover a symphony of adventure, beauty, and wonder that awaits those who dare to explore its frozen landscapes.